When bonding with adhesives, surface preparation plays a key role in achieving maximum bond strength and durability. Depending on the substrate material and the adhesive being used, different types of preparation are required. The essential first step of surface preparation is degreasing. As a minimum, surface to be bonded must be degreased. This is usually done by dipping, wiping or spraying with a solvent. The solvent has to be selected according to the level of contamination, the substrate type, and of course, EHS considerations. Surface contaminations are mainly caused by handling and preparation, usually by skin contact, contaminated rags, or of course, airborne contaminants. In the lab, we take great care. Gloves are being used as well as a lint-free cloth or paper, and the surface is cleaned in a single wiping motion. The efficiency of the surface preparation can be checked. The water bead test gives a good indication if the surface is contaminant-free. If drops of deionized water spreads on the prepared surface, then it's considered free of contamination. This test will not work on some very low surface tension substrate, but in this case, special adhesive will be used. The surface tension of the substrate can be measured by the contact angle method. Best practices will often combine degreasing with other methods of substrate preparation. At the end, the substrate preparation will depend on the type of substrate, the application process, the performance requirement, and health and safety at the workplace. At Huntsman, we can advise on proper surface preparation. If you have a question we can help with, please contact us.